I wake up at 6 a.m. every day.
I wake up at 6 a.m. every day.
I turn off my alarm clock.
I turn off my alarm clock.
I stretch for a few minutes.
I stretch for a few minutes.
I brush my teeth after waking up.
I brush my teeth after waking up.
I wash my face with cold water.
I wash my face with cold water.
I comb my hair in the morning.
I comb my hair in the morning.
I drink a glass of warm water.
I drink a glass of warm water.
I do some morning exercises.
I do some morning exercises.
I meditate for 5 minutes.
I meditate for 5 minutes.
I choose my clothes for the day.
I choose my clothes for the day.
I get dressed quickly.
I get dressed quickly.
I prepare a healthy breakfast.
I prepare a healthy breakfast.
I eat eggs and toast for breakfast.
I eat eggs and toast for breakfast.
I drink a cup of coffee or tea.
I drink a cup of coffee or tea.
I check my phone for messages.
I check my phone for messages.
I make a to-do list for the day.
I make a to-do list for the day.
I pack my bag for work or school.
I pack my bag for work or school.
I double check if I have my keys.
I double check if I have my keys.
I say goodbye to my family.
I say goodbye to my family.
I walk to the bus stop.
I walk to the bus stop.
I wait for the bus to arrive.
I wait for the bus to arrive.
I listen to music on my way.
I listen to music on my way.
I read a book during the commute.
I read a book during the commute.
I greet my colleagues or classmates.
I greet my colleagues or classmates.
I start my work or attend classes.
I start my work or attend classes.
I take notes during lectures.
I take notes during lectures.
I reply to important emails.
I reply to important emails.
I attend team meetings in the morning.
I attend team meetings in the morning.
I finish my assignments on time.
I finish my assignments on time.
I have a cup of coffee during the break.
I have a cup of coffee during the break.
I talk with friends or colleagues.
I talk with friends or colleagues.
I go for a short walk during lunch.
I go for a short walk during lunch.
I eat my packed lunch or buy food.
I eat my packed lunch or buy food.
I check my phone for notifications.
I check my phone for notifications.
I leave work or school by 5 p.m.
I leave work or school by 5 p.m.
I take the bus back home.
I take the bus back home.
I enjoy the sunset during my commute.
I enjoy the sunset during my commute.
I run small errands after work.
I run small errands after work.
I buy groceries on the way home.
I buy groceries on the way home.
I greet my family when I return.
I greet my family when I return.
I change into comfortable clothes.
I change into comfortable clothes.
I relax on the couch for a while.
I relax on the couch for a while.
I drink a glass of juice or water.
I drink a glass of juice or water.
I help with preparing dinner.
I help with preparing dinner.
I set the table for dinner.
I set the table for dinner.
I eat dinner with my family.
I eat dinner with my family.
I talk about my day with my family.
I talk about my day with my family.
I clean the dishes after dinner.
I clean the dishes after dinner.
I watch a TV show in the evening.
I watch a TV show in the evening.
I go for an evening walk.
I go for an evening walk.
I read a book before bed.
I read a book before bed.
I write in my journal about the day.
I write in my journal about the day.
I browse social media for a bit.
I browse social media for a bit.
I call a friend to catch up.
I call a friend to catch up.
I prepare a small snack for later.
I prepare a small snack for later.
I fold laundry or tidy my room.
I fold laundry or tidy my room.
I plan my next day's activities.
I plan my next day's activities.
I prepare my clothes for tomorrow.
I prepare my clothes for tomorrow.
I check the weather forecast.
I check the weather forecast.
I brush my teeth before sleeping.
I brush my teeth before sleeping.
I apply moisturizer on my skin.
I apply moisturizer on my skin.
I listen to calming music at night.
I listen to calming music at night.
I check my alarm before sleeping.
I check my alarm before sleeping.
I turn off the lights in my room.
I turn off the lights in my room.
I lie down on my bed to relax.
I lie down on my bed to relax.
I think about my goals for tomorrow.
I think about my goals for tomorrow.
I fall asleep peacefully.
I fall asleep peacefully.
I snooze my alarm in the morning.
I snooze my alarm in the morning.
I quickly clean up my room.
I quickly clean up my room.
I prepare lunch for school or work.
I prepare lunch for school or work.
I water the plants in the garden.
I water the plants in the garden.
I feed my pet before leaving.
I feed my pet before leaving.
I take out the trash on trash day.
I take out the trash on trash day.
I check the mailbox for letters.
I check the mailbox for letters.
I pay bills or manage my finances.
I pay bills or manage my finances.
I organize my desk or workspace.
I organize my desk or workspace.
I listen to a podcast while relaxing.
I listen to a podcast while relaxing.
I attend an online course or workshop.
I attend an online course or workshop.
I clean my shoes when they're dirty.
I clean my shoes when they're dirty.
I vacuum the living room on weekends.
I vacuum the living room on weekends.
I call relatives to stay in touch.
I call relatives to stay in touch.
I bake cookies for a special treat.
I bake cookies for a special treat.
I fold clothes and organize my wardrobe.
I fold clothes and organize my wardrobe.
I spend time playing with my pet.
I spend time playing with my pet.
I practice a skill I want to improve.
I practice a skill I want to improve.
I enjoy a hot cup of tea in the evening.
I enjoy a hot cup of tea in the evening.
I prepare my backpack for the next day.
I prepare my backpack for the next day.
I double check my important documents.
I double check my important documents.
I put my phone on silent before bed.
I put my phone on silent before bed.
I ensure all doors and windows are locked.
I ensure all doors and windows are locked.